Alrighty, this is a presentation of the 5th grade Module 1 Overview, Stories of Human Rights. So the big questions and the big ideas that we're going to work on answering over this module are: what are human rights and how can they be threatened? So we're looking for students to recognize that human rights belong to everyone, but they can look different to different people in different places. As well as we can better understand how human rights can be threatened by reading about the experiences of fictional characters in stories. The other big idea we're looking for is how can we use writing to raise awareness of human rights. And we want students to recognize that we can raise awareness of human rights issues by writing about the issues fictional characters face. Some of the other things that students will be able to have the opportunity to do is to connect personal experiences and do research around human rights and how that connects to some of the things that are happening currently in current events. So the main text we are going to be using for this unit is Esperanza Rising. And throughout the entire unit, students will take notes and will be able to review and reflect on their learning. Students will work on building habits of character throughout the unit. The 3 habits of character we're going to focus on is working to become ethical people. And that's basically empathy, integrity, respect, and compassion. Students also work to become effective learners, developing the mindsets and skills for success in college, career, and life. We're looking for initiative, responsibility, perseverance, and collaboration. And finally, students also work to contribute to a better world. So putting their learning to use to improve communities, that includes citizenship and service. Students in that effect will have opportunity to share their learning and to work with families to help them identify and recognize the importance of the learning that we're making. So the module pacing throughout here is basically 3 units. In Unit 1, students will build background knowledge of human rights, and that usually lasts about 1 to 2 weeks. In Unit 2, students will write to inform. That's when we will really push in the monologue piece that we'll discuss in the next slide. And that should be about weeks 3 to 6. And then the last 2 weeks will be focused on Unit 3, using writing to raise awareness. Students will practice the writing process. They will really be able to revise their writing and their presentation that they're going to use to share their learning. Finally, the end of unit goal, which is the performance task anchor chart, is now that you have written an original monologue about a character's response to an event or situation from Esperanza Rising, you are going to present your monologue with your group. So essentially, students are going to be working on a monologue throughout the module, and with the performance task at the end of the unit, the end of the module, they're going to be able to present it. They're also going to create a program that includes the order of your group's monologues, the cast, and a director's note. Again, students will have the opportunity to work on this throughout the unit. It's not going to be all in one. In the director's note, you will write about the human right challenged by the event described in your group's monologue, identifying the corresponding article from the UDHR, which is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We will investigate that as well, and explain how people are impacted by this issue today. So as students work throughout the module, again, their focus is to get is to be able to answer those big idea questions and be able to really use writing, again, to just define what are human rights and how can they be threatened, and how can you use writing to raise awareness of human rights.